Hey, it's Dr. J. Hi everybody, wanted to do a quick video to show you how to add supplemental documents to your courses, be it PowerPoints, Prezis, documents, Excel spreadsheets, anything like that. So we're going to go to the sandbox for GEB 3213. So once you're in the course, you can do one of two things. First, you can click on your files. And since you're in Professor View, you could create your own folder here by clicking on Folder and naming it PowerPoints. And now you see the file PowerPoints at the bottom. You click on it, it's empty, but if you wanted to go ahead and add your documents here, you would hit Upload and you would load your items here. So after you've loaded your items here, you can go to Modules. Once you're in Modules, you need to decide where you want your items to be. So let's say that we're creating a PowerPoint for Module 1. So again, one of two ways. We're going to edit. Remember, whenever you're in here and you click Edit, all this material in here is all editable. So make sure not to change or delete anything. If you do, you can always go down to Cancel and start over. So for this example, we're going to put PowerPoint Module 1. So right now it's just text. There's nothing connected to it. So if we wanted to link a PowerPoint to this, we would highlight it. We would click on Files. If we had saved items to PowerPoints, we could click here and we could connect this. If you haven't saved items to files, you would go to Upload File. You would choose. I'm going to go to my desktop because that's where I saved my GEB 3213 Chapter 2 lecture. Now that it's there, I'm going to click Upload because it still needs to get connected to the actual module. Once you see the item turn blue, now students have access to that. So just for simplicity's sake, I like to click bold. Now it's there. I'm going to click Save. And to make sure that students can see this, I like to see that little icon here. I like to go to Home, just to double check. I will click on Student View. And once I'm in Student View, I'm able to click on Modules. And even though all these items are there, I want to go into Module 1 to make sure that the students can see the PowerPoint module. Now to make sure you see what the student sees, you click on it and you will see the icon start downloading right away. Right here, you see the icon is downloading. So that is how you add items to your courses. Again, you can add anything from pages to spreadsheets to PowerPoints, anything like that you can add. So once again, you could do it one or two ways. You can either click on your files and you can upload them here, or you can do them directly to your modules. And once you click on them and you go through the following steps of editing, you will then have access to those. All right, let me know if you have any comments, questions, or concerns. And as always, I am here for you and your success.